Hello, and welcome to another Kids in the Kitchen cooking class by the Junior League. Today we're going to be making barbecue chicken quesadillas. For this recipe, you're going to need a can of chicken breast, a bag of shredded cheese, 2 flour tortillas, some barbecue sauce, and also some butter, olive oil, or cooking spray for your pan. We are going to be cooking on the stove today, so make sure that you have an adult's help and permission before you use the stove. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken breast and open it with our can opener, which I've already done, and then you drain the water out of the can. Next, once you have that water drained out, you're going to pour your chicken breast into a mixing bowl. So I'm going to get my mixing bowl over here and dump my chicken breast in the bowl. And after you've added your chicken, you want to add in at least a half a cup of barbecue sauce. And you're going to mix that all together so that all the chicken is covered in barbecue sauce. Now while you're mixing that, you can go ahead and turn on your stove top. So I'm going to turn it on to medium heat. And we're going to let that warm up for a minute. And keep stirring our chicken breast. Now that that is all coated with barbecue sauce, I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to dump some of my olive oil here into my cooking pan. And then I'm going to get one of my flour tortillas. And I'm just going to place that in the pan here. Next, we're going to add some of our shredded cheese. And I'm using mild cheddar cheese. Right on top of our tortilla in the pan. After you have your cheese on your tortilla, you can go ahead and scoop some of the chicken covered in the barbecue sauce on top of the cheese in the tortilla. And then spread it around so that there's a little bit of chicken and cheese on each part of the tortilla. Now that you've done that, you're going to take your second tortilla and put that flour tortilla right on top. And all we have to do now is wait for that to heat up so that our cheese melts. And once it's melted a little bit and your chicken starts to warm up, you can take a spatula and go ahead and flip your tortillas over and put them back in your pan there and let the other side heat up. Now while that is finishing heating up, I'm just going to tell you a little fun fact about what we're eating today. So cheese is a very healthy source of protein and also calcium. And chicken also has a lot of protein, which is also very good for us. So I think now my quesadilla should be warm enough. After it's all heated up, get yourself a plate and your spatula. And you're going to scoop out your quesadilla from the pan and put it on your plate. And a little bit of my chicken fell out, but that's okay. We can just pick it up with the spatula and put it right back inside the quesadilla. And then once it's on the plate, you can cut it up if you would like and you can make it into a few different triangle pieces. I'm going to try to use a pizza cutter to cut mine into pieces, but you can also just use a knife if you'd like, or you can eat it without cutting it up. That's up to you. So I'm going to make one big long cut down the middle and then go the other way so that we've got some triangles. And there we go. It's all done and cut into 4 different pieces, and it's ready to eat. If you like this recipe, you can find more like it on the Junior League of Peoria.org's website. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.